Looking for a job with Smart Apartment Solutions? Let's walk through the process to get you hired. Hey Smarties, let's go through the process of how you can be a smart staffer. The first steps in applying for a job with Smart Apartment Solutions is to apply through the job posting that you've seen. The next step is to apply through our website. Then me, Makita, your staffing coordinator, will give you a call. We'll have a short interview to go over your skill sets to see if you're a great fit for the job that we're looking to fulfill. The next step is I'll send you your standard employment forms that I'll need you to complete to move to the next step. That'll be your W-9, your direct deposit information, and our workers' comp form. After we complete your background check, I'll be sending you a video for your online training. And then we'll bring you in to meet you and to do your orientation on site. After your training, we'll go ahead and place you in the field to start working. And we'll still be coming on site to do on-site training. So we won't just leave you out there. You'll still have someone from the SMART team that'll come out and give you on-site training. I always like to tell potential SMART staffers that to always remember you are a fish in a fishbowl when you're going out working for our clients. They're always going to hold you to a higher standard because you're not an actual employee. So just always remember you're a guest in someone else's house. And if you go in with a great attitude and a can-do attitude, you'll be just fine. If you're looking for more information about our job openings, please click the link below to subscribe. Until then, get smart with us.